The Little Garden. In a cozy little house at the edge of a bustling city lived a father named John and his 5-year-old daughter, Mia. Mia was a curious and lively child, always eager to explore the world around her. One day, she came across a patch of bare earth in their backyard and had an idea. "Daddy, can we make a garden?" she asked, her eyes sparkling with excitement. John, who had never gardened before, looked at her eager face and couldn't resist. "Of course, sweetheart," he replied with a smile. Together they visited a nearby nursery and picked out colorful flowers, tiny vegetable seeds, and gardening tools. Each day after work, John and Mia would spend time in the garden, planting, watering, and caring for their little patch of earth. Mia loved digging in the dirt, while John enjoyed seeing her so happy and engaged. As the weeks passed, the garden began to flourish. Bright flowers bloomed, and little sprouts of vegetables peeked through the soil. Mia was overjoyed, and John felt a deep sense of satisfaction seeing the garden grow under their care. One sunny afternoon, as they admired their thriving garden, Mia turned to John and said, "Daddy, this is the best garden in the whole world because we made it together." John's heart swelled with love and pride. He knelt down and hugged Mia tightly. From that day on, their garden became a symbol of their bond. They continued to nurture it together, celebrating each new bloom and harvest. And every time John looked at the garden, he was reminded of the joy and love he shared with his precious daughter, knowing that they had created something beautiful together.